Hello everyone, my name is Shikhar and in this video I'm going to show you how to create and manage generic products in Array. So for this I will navigate to cards and click here on generic product under inventory section and click here add new generic product. So let's first understand what generic products are. Generic products are the variants of products listed by the combination of different characteristics. So let's see this with the help of an example. Say the name of generic product is t-shirt. I will take category as clothing. UM will be unit. Applicable tax is 5%. And let's say the profit margin is 30%. So I can add images. Let's say these are the images I want to add and click here on save. Now I will proceed towards product characteristic details. Here I need to add the product characteristics. So I'll click on add and proceed towards creating new product characteristics for this generic product. Here let's say our first product characteristic is clothing brands. Type of data will be list and I will add the values here. Let's say first brand name is Wrangler. Second is Philip. Third, let's say Arrow. I will save this. Now another characteristic is size. Type of data will be list again. So the first will be small, medium, large and extra large. So I will close this window now and refresh the detail here. Now I can see the newly created product characteristic, clothing brands and size. So I will select add and size. So on the next page, product generation, we will be seeing all the different combinations possible with these two product characteristics. So I will click on next. And as we can see here, these are all the possible combinations or variants with those characteristics we have created. Generic product name, brand name and size. Here also generic product name, brand name and different sizes, small, medium, large and extra large. Here I have option to select these products one by one, or I can add select all. Also, if I want to keep different images for these newly created products, I can add different images, or the products that we have, images that we have created earlier will be displayed here. So I can remove or add any different images as well for individual products. For example, this one. So I will save this and click on apply. Now it says record saved successfully. So in this way, by combining two or more product characteristics, we can create many individual products in Array. So in this video, we have learned how to create and manage generic products. Thank you.